Hey guys, today we are going to unbox and review HP M100 gaming mouse. I got this from Flipkart for 400 rupees and it is available for 282 rupees in LT online store. Let's start the unboxing. That's the unboxing. Now let's check the mouse. It is a decent looking mouse with RGB lighting. This mouse doesn't come with any extra buttons apart from DPI switching button, and it has two DPI settings. Buttons are tactile and responsive. You can feel the clicks very well and even hear the clicking sounds. Scrolling wheel has rubber on top for better grip. The lighting color will change for every 5 seconds. And you don't get any control over the lighting. You can't even switch it off as we don't have any software from HP for this mouse. And we also don't need to install any drivers, we just have to plug and play. On the back we have HP logo. On the bottom we have optical sensor and product detail sticker. And on the front we have cheap quality wire. Maybe HP chose this cheap wire and low quality plastic for mouse to keep the production cost low. Finally we have USB 2.0 with HP branding. Now let's try a game with this mouse. It is okay for the price, but I am not that comfortable with this mouse, so I feel little pain in the palm after using it for a long time. Maybe because I am a claw user. If you are a palm user, it might be comfortable for you. Overall, if you are a casual gamer or you are in very tight budget, you can pick this mouse and don't spend more than 350 rupees for this mouse. And if you are a gamer or you want to build a gaming PC, and you have a budget around 1500 rupees, better go with Logitech starting series.